Hi people, so it's been a while I use Ankara to tie head wrap. So today I'm using Ankara to tie my head wrap. For lovers of Ankara material, please come closer and let's do this. So when I grab this material, I'm just going to place everything from the back of my head the way it is seen in this video. Put everything forward, and all the excess you're gonna grab it with an elastic band. So for this head wrap, you need elastic band. That's all you need. Okay, and your material. So once I grab everything at the front, you see this first little excess, I'll take it backward and give it a knot at the back. Once I'm done with the knotting at the back, then it is time for me to work with the leftover at the front, and that will be the final part of this head wrap. So guys, don't forget to share my video. Let it reach more people who want to learn simple head wrap, how to do this by themselves on their own. Please share, let it reach them. And don't forget to give my videos thumbs up and do leave your comment in the comment section. Okay, let's proceed. Here at the front, and you can see I first divided the excess into two, where I used elastic band to grab one, and the other one I pleated it down and dip the excess at the back. So stay focused and watch how it is being done. You're going to get it. It is very simple, trust me guys. So I'll try to align that and make it smooth. So this first part that I just divided into two, I'm going to come back to it, arrange it, put all the necessary parts in, the ones I don't want it to show, and I'll be dividing it again with another elastic band. So get your elastic band available for this style. Then after the division, it is now time for me to dip my hands into that hole like a ring and pull the fabric in there out, and it's bring the shape out. That is, it's going to give me the shape, and that is the beauty of this head wrap. Okay guys, don't mind my face. If you are ready for that occasion, you're gonna look good on it. And this is just done on a neutral day, and I just pick head wrap and try it out. So it's nice, it's very nice guys. Try it, lay your hands on. Don't forget to like now. I'll see you next time.